Thanks for watching Afternoon Live. All right, the hot weather today is only the beginning, right, of what to expect this summer. So if you need some summer fashion staples to get you through the season, our next guest has some fabulous suggestions. We welcome back plus-size fashion and lifestyle expert Haley McConnell is back. Good to see you. I have to give you a hug from across all your cute staples. Because this is true. You have some great things on here, and they all look comfortable.
Yes, that's very important to me because you want things that you feel comfortable in, that are comfortable to wear, so you do continue to wear them and they don't just sit in your closet.
Right.
So I'm going to talk about my favorite summer things. I'm so excited. I hate hot weather, but I love summer fashion. So first we're going to start with shoes.
Because the ones you're wearing are adorable, by the way.
Thank you very much.
The rose gold, I'm so glad that's still in.
Yes,
because I think it's great.
Anything sparkly, I'm all about.
Yeah.
So I love sandals. These are actually from Crocs, and they have this really comfortable, stretchy bands.
Look at that, yep.
So they're all stretchy, they're really comfortable, and they have this really thick sole.
They look good for your feet. I've had plantar fasciitis before, and you need
those are actually
support.
comfortable to wear. And so I'm at the point they can't just be cute; they have to be comfortable too.
Yes, you get to that point. You're like, all right, enough of this.
I also love slip-on sneakers, and these are actually from a company called Beezy's that I just found out about a couple years ago. And they have this really great like memory foam insole. And they're actually
the
under
arch support.
Yeah, they're under the Naturalizer brand. And the Naturalizer outlet in Troutdale, they have Beezy's, so you can go try them on and like feel how comfortable they are, and they're super cute.
Yeah, look at the print on these.
I love the plaid print.
And just the slip-ons for me, they're a huge essential that you don't have. Is that horrible not to have to bend over?
Yeah, they're just easy.
Just go out in the yard, do whatever you need, and go.
Yeah, because when it's hot, I mean, you just don't want anything extra.
No.
So accessories are another great way, if you've already got all your fashion, to add something to your look. So I like mirrored lens sunglasses, because if I meet someone I don't like, I can like roll my eyes and they don't see me. But these great floral ones, headbands you can wear no matter what kind of hairstyle you have. You pull it back, you wear it down. It's short, it's long.
Yeah.
And I also have a great DIY tip for flower crowns. I've spent a lot of time making some, but if you're not crafty, get the ones with the elastic on the back. They don't stay on my head.
Oh.
Cut off the elastic, hot glue it to a thin, like no slip headband, and boom, you're done. This is just one I bought at the store and then cut the stuff off. So
great idea. Love that.
All right, next you need a sundress. This is a cute little knit version. It's got these cute twisty sleeves here. This is actually from Loft, and they actually carry plus sizes at the Lloyd Center store.
Okay.
So you can go and try stuff on, but the deals are online because this is a $70 dress. I got it for $8.
What?
Yes.
See, you're so good about that kind of stuff. That's unbelievable. $8?
Yeah. So go find out what size you wear and then look for the deals online.
And then go online.
Because the deals are insane.
It
and
is.
They have
it's
really
like
cute stuff.
50 off of 50. I mean, that is where to do it for kids.
It's bananas.
Even. Yeah, that's great. This is really cute.
Yes,
it's the type of fabric, too, that you can pack up for your summer trips.
It travels so good.
It doesn't, get all wrinkly.
Which is very important.
Really important.
All right, next you need a layering tank and a kimono and a cute pair of capris.
Nice.
So this is a little look I put together, and this one has the mesh, so it's still like breathable, and you can put it under anything. And then the capris are actually these really awesome ones that have a lot of stretch to them, but they're lightweight. And they keep their shape really well. These are from Universal Standard, and they actually carry sizes 0 to 40.
Okay.
So they're for everybody.
This is a nice feeling. I was saying I don't like
really
jeans because they're so uncomfortable, but this is really lightweight and soft, actually. Very soft.
All right, next we have a maxi dress. You have to have one.
You need to have 5.
You need to have plenty. Yeah. I like to stick with rayon and knit because they're so lightweight and great for summer. I actually bought this one for my birthday, which is Sunday.
Oh, happy birthday.
I can't wait to wear it. Thank you. And I just love the colors, and it matches my new hair and all of that jazz. But, look for something that appeals to you, but there's so many different ones to find and collect. Collect them all.
Maxi. Of course, the cute tank.
Yes, you need a cute tank.
This has stretch in it, though, too.
Yeah, this is a gauzy material, so it's really light and great for summer. And it's cut more A-line, so there's room for tummy and hips if you need that. And just a really lightweight thing. I also love Bermuda shorts, and these actually have this great embroidery and beading and rhinestones,
which is really cute.
I'm all about. Anything with extra sparkle,
Who makes
please.
These ones? This is soft
These
fabric,
are actually
too.
from Catherine's.
Okay, because it's really great fabric.
Really, they're really lightweight.
There's nothing worse than like wet jeans or jeans in the summer. I don't know. I must have had a childhood of like jeans not being good.
And a lot of
Catherine
styles, they'll have like a waistband right on the inside, like an elastic thing, so they stay on your waist instead of being larger in the waist, but then fit you everywhere.
Isn't that true? You have to find that right
Yeah.
pair of jeans, otherwise it doesn't work. Really quickly, you got to touch on
Okay,
swimsuits.
last
That's
we have the
essential.
swimsuit. This is a great one from Swimsuits for All. I am more of a practical swimsuit girl because I don't like to just sit by the pool. I like to go do things.
Right.
So I love to snorkel, and this one has these great like bike shorts as part, like sewn in. They're part of it, so you don't have to worry about your thighs rubbing together. It's really comfortable to wear. You don't have to worry about anything falling out or whatever.
Yeah, because
it's
it's
really
support
great
in the bust.
suit.
It's great, and of
Yes.
course.
And
so
a matching
cute.
cover up.
So
I mean,
cute.
you've got to have that.
But this is you for Sunday.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank
Love you.
you.
And we'll have more information about Haley on our website and a link to her blog at katu.com.